RingConn Gen 3 Review. Worth buying over Oura Ring 5. If you're considering a smart ring in 2026, the RingConn Gen 3 and Oura Ring 5 are two of the biggest names to compare. But which one gives you more for your money? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The RingConn Gen 3 focuses on continuous health and wellness tracking, including sleep, heart rate variability, blood oxygen, temperature, stress, and other metrics. It also offers a lightweight titanium design and battery life of up to around 2 weeks, depending on usage. One of its biggest advantages is that RingConn doesn't require the same type of ongoing subscription for core tracking features. That's important because subscription costs can add up significantly over several years. The Oura Ring 5, meanwhile, focuses heavily on its polished app experience, sleep insights, readiness information, activity tracking, and a refined design. The newer Oura Ring 5 is also slimmer and lighter than previous generations, making it more comfortable for everyday wear. However, Oura's advanced experience comes with a membership fee, so the long-term cost is higher. RingConn's main weakness is that its software experience may not feel as polished or intuitive as Oura's. Some insights can also feel less detailed or contextual. So, which should you choose? RingConn Gen 3 is the better choice if you want comprehensive tracking, long battery life, and no recurring subscription for core features. Oura Ring 5 is more appealing if you prioritize a polished app, refined insights, and a premium overall ecosystem, and don't mind paying for the membership. Neither is automatically better for everyone. If you want to check the latest details or buy this smart ring, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me which smart ring you choose.